Hey guys, Abby here. How are you guys doing today? So, today we are going to ask the question, is squirting real? The email that I got was very simple, just a couple questions. Um, and it's a sort of a taboo sort of topic, I guess. Um, well, maybe, I don't know. Maybe more like a question of whether it's a myth or it's real. Um, but let me ask you, ladies out there, have you ever squirted? Men, have you ever made your lady squirt? Um, Leave it in the comments below. Let me know. You can help me verify if this is a real thing or not. Um, anyway, let's get into this, shall we? So the email says, "Hi Abby, I have a couple questions for you. First, is squirting real? Second, can one actually learn how to do it? And third, if so, can you give instruction?" Well, I think those are a couple different things that topics that need covered here. So I went fishing around, and I will tell you guys, stick around to the end, and I will tell you what my personal experience is with this phenomenon. Um, so I went to fishing around looking for stuff, and I found some myths debunking on WebMD and some misconceptions about squirting orgasms. So, the myth is squirting is fake. That is a myth. Squirting is very real. In fact, scientists have documented the phenomenon. However, more research is needed to determine the exact causes of squirting and female ejaculation. Part of the ambiguity about squirting is that the Skene's gland vary from person to person, and some people with vajayjays don't have any, while others have very small ones. Okay, the next is everyone can squirt if they try the same method. That is a myth. Each person's experience with squirting is different. While some methods can make people squirt more than others, there is no one proven method that makes every person with a vagina squirt. This is because each vajayjay is different. As mentioned, some vajayjays lack the Skene's gland, which are thought to create the fluid released during ejaculation in people who have vulvas. Next is squirting orgasms are always high volume. That is a myth as well. Squirting isn't always a high volume event that soaks the sheets. Sometimes it is a small trickle or a stream of fluid. The depiction of squirting in porn movies often shows large gushes of squirting liquid. Porn producers fake some of these depictions for dramatic effect. All volumes and forms of squirting are valid. Squirting at different volumes is a normal occurrence during sex for many people. Squirting or ejaculation only happens during orgasm. Some people can squirt or ejaculate before or after an orgasm. Squirting can also occur at the same time as an orgasm. Some people also have multiple spurts of squirting spread over a few minutes. It says to experiment with different methods of bringing yourself or your partner to a squirting orgasm with G-spot stimulation. And yes, fellas, the G-spot is real. Some idea we can... Ooh, maybe we'll do a video on that. Alright, anyway, I digress. Some ideas to aid in achieving this phenomenon include using toys specifically designed to stimulate the G-spot, combining clitoral stimulation with G-spot stimulation, using lots of lubrication, bearing down on your, I'm going to butcher this word, pubococcygeal or pelvic muscles when nearing orgasm. Strengthen your vaginal muscles with Kegel exercises and urinate before trying to have a squirting orgasm. Safety advice and special considerations. For some people, putting too much pressure on the G-spot can feel uncomfortable. Listen to your body and do what feels good. If you are too tense, it may be harder to orgasm or squirt. So there you have it, fellas, ladies. Squirting is real. I can speak from my own experience that it is a real thing. I didn't know, and I'll be honest, I didn't know it was a real thing until I got together with my hubby. I'm here to tell you that it takes the big O to a whole nother level. It is very intense. Although can be messy, we'll admit, it is amazing. But hey, that's what waterproof sheets and mattress covers are for, right? Well, that is all I have for you guys today, ladies and gents. Squirting is real. I hope you learned a few things, and some things you didn't know, some things you didn't want to know, probably about me. But regardless, here we are. Hope I was able to debunk a few myths for you. You'll have to be sure to leave your comments, experiences, thoughts in the comments below. And be sure to look out for the sequel to this video. I will have coming up soon, and that will be how to help your partner achieve the amazing squirting orgasm. So you'll have to stay tuned. See you soon, everybody. Bye.